Good day everyone, and especially to you Ma'am Almera. Good day ma'am. I'm Rizal Neri and from BSN 3 Block 2. Before I'll go to start my demonstration, let me introduce my learning objectives. So at the end of the lesson, students are expected to identify the main characters, setting, and the plot of the story of Cinderella. My psychomotor is perform a short role play that portrays cases from the story to demonstrate understanding of the characters and events. And my last is express insights on how kindness and perseverance can lead to positive outcomes in real life. Good morning, class. Before we start, let us all stand for the prayer. Okay, Miss, can you please lead a prayer? Amen. Thank you. You may now take your seats. So, guys, how are you today, class? Okay, very good. That's good to hear that. Now, I will check the attendance first. Say present if your name is called. Okay, very good. It's good to hear that also, guys, that there's no absent today. Because we have a story that's so very exciting. And now, before we continue, please look around the area. Is it clean? Okay, very good. The chairs are arranged. Now, very good. So, yesterday class, we talked about the story of fairy tales. So, I have a question. So, why do fairy tales teach us about life and behavior? Okay, miss. Very good. Correct. Fairy tales teach us lessons that guide our behavior. Okay, so I will going to introduce the characters of the story. First is Cinderella. So, Cinderella is the kind and patient girl who is mistreated but stays good-hearted. So, mauni siya si Cinderella, guys. Okay. Another is si Jack and Kes. Mo na ato itong ang duha ka animals nga kanang mutabang ni Cinderella sa mga buhaton sa balay. So help Cinderella with cars of or the fairy godmother. And next one is the Prince Charming. So si Prince Charming mo niya ang falls in love with Cinderella and finds her with a glass slipper. So mo ni si Prince Charming nga ni na-fall in love ni Cinderella tas siya say nakakuan sa katong glass slipper katong nabilin nga kanang glass slipper ni Cinderella. And next one is si Fairy Godmother. So si Fairy Godmother is a magical helper who sends Cinderella to the ball. So mo nitabang ni Cinderella na makadung og royal ball. So next one is mo ni ang two stepsisters ni Cinderella. Si the jealous and vain make Cinderella do all the chores. So mo ni kanang mga silusa nga mga gitera ni sila nga Then the last one is stepmother ni Cinderella. So si Lady Tremaine. So, mo ang cruel and favors her own daughters. So, mo ni kontrabida sa life ni Cinderella. Pero, mas gitreat si Cinderella o kanang badly, gitreat siya badly. Nagpabilid ka siya maayo. Mas kilingan siya ka bad. Okay? And that will be all. Okay, another question. Why do you think the glass slipper became a special symbol in the story? Okay, very good. So later, later, we will understand why the slipper became a symbol of hope and fairness. So today, we will revisit the Will Lutz fairy tale, The Story of Cinderella, and the author of Charles Perrault, The Brother Grimm. So I'm going to read the story. Please listen, class. I'll be the one to read the story. So, the story of Cinderella. So once upon a time, in a faraway kingdom, there lived a kind and gentle girl named Cinderella. She lived with her stepmother and two stepsisters, who treated her very unfairly. While they enjoyed the fine clothes and delicious meals, Cinderella was forced to do all the household chores like cleaning, cooking, washing, and serving them from morning until night. So, si Cinderella, ay gibiyaan naman siya sa iyang, ay kaya namatay naman ito iyang papa, bali na, nabili na siya sa iyang stepmom, siya na nagbuhat tanan sa mga tanan nga buhaton sa panimalay nila. Siya ay manghugas, mangluto, tanan-tanan. Cinderella, suluya po niya, no? So, even though she was treated badly, Cinderella remained patient and kind. She never complained and always tried to see the good in everything. So, maski treat siya ka ng dili maayo, guys, sa iyang stepmom, iyang two stepsisters, wala gyapon siya nagtanim ng loob, chor. Nga na, nagpabilin na gihapon siya pagkamaayo. Inaana si Cinderella, guys. The prince would hold a grand royal ball, and every young lady in the kingdom was invited. The stepsisters were very excited. So, excited kayo ang duha the two stepsisters ni Cinderella. Kaya nag-announce man ang king sa ilahang kingdom nga magkuan og royal ball. So, they ordered Cinderella to help them prepare, curling their hair, choosing dresses, and polishing their shoes. Cinderella wished she could go too, but her stepmother laughed and said, "You go to the ball? Impossible! You have no dress, no shoes, and no courage. Stay here and finish your course." Hala, grabe, no? As in, Cinderella gusto siyang mundong at sa kuan, invited good tanan kay syempre tanan mga lady mo invited jud ato nga grand ball. Niya ang iyang stepmom mo tigi kuan, oh my gosh, napaka bad niya, guys. Then, when they finally left for the ball, Cinderella sat alone and cried. Sumihilok si Cinderella, guys. Nasakitan siya kay tungod ato nga sulti sa iyang mama, ay iyang stepmom nga wato kag ganang kuan grad ball, tas ay sa ball niya kanang wala kay kanang sanina, wala kay masig kanang unsa nga kuan. Siyempre, og ako pud ato'y magsakitan ko kay murag pandaya ko. So, when they finally left for the ball, Cinderella sat alone and cried. Suddenly, a warm light filled the room, and a gentle voice said, "Why are you crying, my child?" It was a fairy godmother. So, naining halit ug abot, guys. Mao to ang fairy godmother ni Cinderella. So, Cinderella explained everything, and the fairy godmother smiled. "You shall go to the ball." So, with a wave of her magic wand, she turned a pumpkin into a golden carriage, and the mice into horses, and the Cinderella's turn, dressed in a beautiful sparkling gown. On her feet appeared a pair of glass slippers shining like diamonds. But remember, my dear, naingon tong fairy godmother, this magic will last only until the clock strikes 12. Cinderella thanked her and went to the ball. So, mo ito kuan sa kanang fairy godmother class nga, dili siya pwede nga kanang mula pa og 12 kay og mula pa siya 12 balik naman tong iyang kuan kanang anyo like wala na to iyang kuan kanang beautiful gown iyang mga kuan. So Cinderella thanked her and went to the ball. When she arrived, everyone was amazed by her beauty. So kisa ka pwede makakuan nga inigtan ano mo Cinderella grabe ba ha. The prince noticed her immediately and asked her to dance. So pag-abot ni Cinderella dito guys, nakita siya, nakapansin diretso ang prince sa iyaha. Mo to nga iyang giduol, tas iyahang gipangutan na nga, ayang, gusto niya nga kanang magsayaw sila. So mo to. So they danced the whole evening, and Cinderella felt happier than she had ever been. But as the clock began to strike midnight, Cinderella suddenly remembered the warning. I must go, she said, running down the palace steps. In her rush, one glass slipper slipped off her foot, but she didn't stop. She reached her courage just in time before the magic disappeared. So, moto ka nang ning nagdagandagan ka ng Cinderella kay hapit na tumag 12 kalipat or nakakuan na siya nga hapit na di ay ang time. So, moto, stabilin pa dyan ang iyang usa ka glass slipper guys sa pagmadali niya. So, the next day, the entire kingdom buzzed with excitement. The prince declared that he would marry the girl who fit the glass slipper he found. He visited every house, but none of the women could fit the delicate shoe, not even the stepsisters. So, ang prince nag house to house sa mga sa panimalay para lang jud kung ano kakinsa jud to nga kanang atong glass slipper niya. Mas iyang duha ka two stepsister niya wala ning kuan atong ay wala ning kasya nga kanang piil sa katong nga glass slipper. So finally the prince arrived at Cinderella's home. The stepsisters tried the shoe, but it did not fit. Then Cinderella softly asked, "May I try it on?" Her stepmother shouted, "No, she's just a servant." But the prince insisted. Cinderella slid her foot into the slipper and it fit perfectly. At that moment, her fairy godmother appeared and transformed Cinderella back into her beautiful gown. So, ano nga part guys, kanang try ni Cinderella o kanang sukod ang katong glass slipper, then fit man niya mo to iya magbilad po to. So pag fit atong nga kanang kuan katong glass slipper, ning appeared ang kanang kuan fairy godmother niya iyang gi-transform sa Cinderella sa katong gisuot ni Cinderella atong pagball. So everyone was shocked. The prince joyfully said, "You are the one I've been searching for." So Cinderella married the prince and forgave her stepfamily. She became a beloved princess known for her kindness, patience, and gentle heart. And they lived happily ever after. Wow! Ending na story. So, mao to guys, mas si Cinderella mas kay kanang gitreat siya kanang badi sa iyang stepfamily, ihagya kong kuan sa tawag na kanang gipasaylo niya iyang stepfamily. Inga nakabutan si Cinderella. Okay, the end of the story na. So, I have a question, class. So, what is the reason Cinderella's glass slipper was left at the ball? Okay,